Hi guys, I hope you are doing good and taking good care of yourselves. Today I will share with you a video in which I can let you know how you can go about playing with the settings of this particular blood pressure monitor. It is by Dr. Morepen, BP1 fully automatic blood pressure monitor. Now what I mean by settings is how can you go about adjusting the date and time on this particular monitor. So whenever you monitor your blood pressure, it gets registered against that particular day and date, and it can be utilized for future referencing, because as you can see on this particular machine, it says over here that it keeps memory of 60 readings. So it's extremely important that to know when the reading was taken, the date and time needs to be set, and it needs to be accurate, so you will know what was your blood pressure at a particular date when you had checked that, and you can keep going back to that. So what I will do is I will show you how you can go about doing this. So now basically this is your monitor. I'm going to keep the box on the side, and there you see the machine, and what basically you need to do is you see these buttons over here, the M, the S, and the start and stop button. What you need to do is you need to press the S button. You need to keep it pressed rather for a couple of seconds, and what will happen is, there you go, you see that blinking over there. So that is your year which is blinking. Now it says 2020. I will not want to adjust that right now. I will show you how to adjust the date and the time. To anyways have this adjusted, what I will need to do is keep pressing M, and it will keep changing. So what I will do right now is I will move to the next mode, which is the month and the day, by hitting S. The moment I hit S, you see 5 is blinking. Now if I want to change that, what I will do is I will go about pressing M over here. So if I hit M, see it changes. It's gone on to the 10th month, 11th, 12th. Now what I will do is I will come back to the 5th month. Now this date or the day has changed to 29 because we passed the 2nd month, which is February. So to adjust that again, I will hit S, and now it will let me adjust the day. So again I will press this 30 once, twice, and it has come back to 30. As you can see, it says M, which is the 5th month, and day, which is the 31st day. Now again I will hit S. It will take me to the time mode. Now it shows 141 over here. If I want to change that, I will press M again, and there you go, it keeps changing. The moment it passes 12, it has become AM. Now I'm gonna just keep pressing it and take it to 1 PM again. If I want to change the minutes, I can again hit S, and I can just go about pressing M again, and there you go, see it changes. It was at 41. I will get it to 42 and leave it at this point of time, because while I'm adjusting, I may have probably crossed at least the 30 seconds to get it back to kind of the correct time. I leave it over here. Now after I do this, I can press S again, and it will take me to these two settings. It is highlighting. Now this is basically if you want a preset or something, I believe, on your high and low of the blood pressures. I will not play around with it or leave it the way it is at this point of time, and just hit S again, and there you see it says done. It shows the year, it shows the month, it shows the time, and it shows the highs and lows adjusted and goes off. So what it has done is it has set everything up. Now whenever I would want to switch it on again, what it will do, it will show me the correct time, and whenever now when I measure, or rather monitor the blood pressure, it will get registered against this particular date and time. Now it's showing me E because the cord or the hose which needs to be connected to this is not connected at this point of time. And again, this belt is not, this belt that we need to, this hose which we connect over here needs to be connected, and this belt needs to be put across the arm of the person whose blood pressure we are wanting to monitor, and that is how it will function, and we will not see this E, which is actually an error message. So this is how one would go about with setting the date and time. And I feel, and I'm very sure that this adjustment is extremely important, because it helps in us knowing or wanting to go back to the previous readings and knowing when had we done the last measurement, so we don't need to keep a record of that physically or manually. It automatically gets stored in the machine, and it comes very handy. So yes, as much as I wish that this video is helpful for you all, I also wish that and hope that we don't need to use equipments like these, and we are all keeping in great health, and especially in times like these when the virus is around, we are taking care of ourselves. So please do hit the like button and subscribe if you like this video, and take care of yourselves, and thank you so much.